Hello guys, um, hope you're doing good today. I'd like to share with you the options or option that I created like maybe couple months ago. Um, this option is to generate a code for a packet. Um, this can be really helpful to you guys want to machine the jaws with a certain type or shape, to hold the part or to machine the actual part. Um, it's a really friendly, simple, easy to use option. Uh, you go here and the editor and auto CNC code generate mail pocket. Sorry. Okay, this is the option that I'm talking about. As you can see here, I just add this, just in case you input the program number that you want to use, tool number. Let's say you want to use the tool number 5. Okay, so it generates the code with all the details and things that you wanted. Okay, now we have here, if you want to machine like circular pocket shape, just click here. Just input the diameter. Let's say you want to machine the 2.25 diameter. Okay, so that whatever deep you want to go like half-inch depth and increments of 300 or 250. The tool diameter that you want to use, let's say you want to use a half-inch. If you guys want to input any step over, from to do, the mass is taking every single pass, or you just want to let it with a 45 automatic default calculation, you can leave it like that. So you wanna like you wanna change how much for the final pass. I have for default 5,000 per side, but you wanna go 3,000 per side for the final pass. The origin of that pocket you can change, you want to. Normally, now in cases, yeah, you might need it to change it. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. 0 0, like use the same, do it in the same origin of XY. The start point, you can change it too. You want to. This is for this option here is for rectangular or square pocket. For round, we don't need to input radiuses. You can choose the material. Let's say this aluminum 61. And you just click generate. So this is pretty much that simple. So you have the code generator, just copy and paste it. Now you want to see what it's doing. You can see here, you want to run it slow. Okay, so that's what it's doing there. What you can see here is the white line is the shape of your finished part. You can kind of have a measurement, like just to verify it. You see, like it's pretty that the 2.25 that you input, that's pretty much what you got there. So there's that simple the way you can create, how easy you can create generate the G code to machine the jaws or machine any part. Now you want to machine, using the variable machine 2 pieces. Is that easy? Okay, there is the two pieces. One is rotated. You want both the same direction. Just put 0 in there, and that's exactly how the machine you want to run. Okay, let's say now you want a rectangular pocket. You don't want to run anymore. Okay, now you have to input the x. Let's say the x you want to 2.5. The y-axis for the rectangular you want 1.5. The corner radius, let's say you want 0. Tool diameter, let's say you want yeah, let's leave it 1/2 inch. Okay, you can generate it like that. Copy paste. Now you can see this code. You run it like that. Okay, that's the rectangular shape. You want to see how it will be. Oh, sorry. You want to see how you want to be the finished part. That's the way it is. This white line. Let's say now the same shape. Now you want it with undercuts, so we don't have the interference with the radius in the corners. Let's say now we have this configuration for that. This is really helpful, having this option. Let's say you wanted to go and angle these ones, and these ones you wanted to go this way, and let's see how it looks like. Maybe we can go to a smaller tool, let's say 3/8 of inch, generate, copy paste. So this is now our program, our code. Okay, you see. Okay, we choose if we go back to the million, we choose the two. Okay, the problem here that we have is that I'm rotating the part. That's why it looks the opposite. Okay, now rotating the part. Okay, I was getting kind of tricky with this. Okay, I choose the two top ones in angle, the undercuts. The two bottom ones I choose left and right, sideways. So that's what we got here. You run it slow. That's the first level of 250. That's the finished pass, 3000s. Now we go to the second level. Okay, doing the finished pass on the second level, and that's pretty much it. So that easy and simple. You got a G code for that shape. I mean, having this is really good, the undercuts, because you can hold the square part with no problem of the, having the corner radius here. That's a big help. Let's say now, another example, you don't want these undercuts. Now you want to machine the actual part. You turn off these options, double click. Now let's say you want two corners to be different radiuses. Let's choose these two, the right hand side. The other ones is no radiuses. That means because it's no radius, the radius in the corners, it has to be half of the tool. So it's like 187, like 316 the radiuses. 3/16 of an inch. Now you want the other two on the right hand side, you want it to be 0.300. Okay, now you have that option too, really, which is really nice. Okay, let's see the code, what we have here. Okay, I have it rotated too, and let me get it now to rotate. Okay, so that is the two corners on the right hand side with the 300 radius. That's what I got here, right? 300 radius is on the other two gonna be 187. You wanna run it and double check that. You can do it too, verify that you have the exactly what you want. This is the semi-finished pass. Sorry, this is the finished pass. Okay, you can see here, machining diameter 0.6 means radius is 300. Okay, that's the finished part. We got the other side. The other side is no radiuses because it's just, I put 0 radius. If you remember that, 0 radius on this side, so it's just a tool. If it's no radius here, that means it's just leaving the radius of the tool. That's pretty much, I mean, you see a radius, but that's just the tool. On the other side, we have exactly the same thing, 600.6 diameter, which is 0.300 radiuses. So you see, that's the, now this is the second level, and same thing pretty much. Okay, so this is really a great tool for machinists, creating a G-code for machining every shape part, rectangular, square, round, rectangular with or square with two different radiuses configuration. Instead of being all four the same, you got the ability to change two of them, the right or the front. That's what we have here, which it makes this option really helpful. So you can change this one or the right or the rear. You can change those and be able to create any shape like this here, as you can see on this picture. So that's pretty much, as you can see, it just take like, couple minutes to input the information and, get exactly what you want. I input the number 5 for all the samples. I got the number 5 tool, the height for the edge, the edge which is for the high and the offset, the touch of the tool, the D for the compensation, and all that. So it has the variable and that to create multiple parts, like I mentioned before. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Most of the machinists here at the shop, they use that option, to machine the jaws for, holding, the part for the seconds operations. Okay, that's pretty much all. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully, see you soon. Thank you.